Hello friends, today I'm making another Turkish recipe. It's very famous to especially southeastern parts of Turkey. It's known as Fellah meatballs or bulgur köftesi. In fact, it's a kind of bulgur köftesi, and bulgur is very special to Turkey. You see here, it's in fact dried and cracked wheat. We usually use this bulgur in our meatballs. For making bulgur meatballs, I'm gonna use 1.5 glass of cracked wheat, 1 egg, 1 glass of wheat flour, cumin, salt and pepper, and I'm gonna prepare a sauce on top of it. For making my sauce, tomato sauce, I'm gonna use 3 tomatoes and some pepper paste and parsley, also garlic. Let's start. First of all, I'm gonna pour this 1.5 glass of bulgur into a bowl, and I'm soaking it with hot water. I boiled the water in my kettle before. I'm adding just about 1 glass of water, 1.5 glass of water in fact. A little more. Now I'm mixing and gathering in the middle, and I'm putting a cover on it and wait about 10 minutes. Okay, we have waited about 10 minutes and our bulgur soaked the water, you see. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of tomato paste into it. One egg, 1 glass of flour, and a small spoon of salt and pepper. Now I'm gonna gently knead all of them, slowly and gently. It's very important. Now I'm also adding a small spoon of cumin. I'm going on kneading. You should knead it very well. You should knead it until it is playable. Quite soft. I need it to be quite soft. If you wish, you can add chili peppers into it if you want to taste it hot. Now it looks okay. I'm finishing kneading. Now I'm taking a little piece of it and rolling it, and then I'm taking small pieces you see. I'm finishing preparing my meatballs. While making them, I soaked my fingers with water because I want my meatballs sticky. Otherwise they spread in the boiled water. You see, now I'm gonna put all these meatballs into boiled water, and then they're gonna cook in it. Okay, I prepared my meatballs. Now I have boiled some water, in fact full of a pan, deep pan, I bought water, and now I'm adding a small spoon of salt into it. Now I'm adding these meatballs into the boiled water one by one, slowly. Now I'm putting the last meatballs. You see here, we're gonna cook these meatballs into boiled water about 20 or 25 minutes. And meanwhile, I'm gonna prepare tomato sauce. Making my tomato sauce, I'm gonna wrap these 3 tomatoes and then these 2 cloves of garlic, and I'm gonna cook them. I've grated tomatoes, and now I'm grating garlic, 2 cloves of garlic. But my garlic cloves were quite big, and 1.5 cloves of it will be enough. Okay. Alright. Now I put 3 tablespoons of olive oil into my pan, and I'm adding the garlics into it. I'm adding tomatoes into olive oil. I'm also adding a little salt into my tomato sauce, and now I'm adding a half tablespoon of red pepper paste. This red pepper is from Antep. It's very delicious and it's special to Antep. In southeastern regions of Turkey, they prepare very delicious red pepper paste and tomato paste. Now I'm mixing my sauce. It's gonna cook about 15 minutes. Now my meatballs looks cooked. I'm turning on the oven and I'm taking out them slowly. I'm serving it in this large plate. Now I'm quickly serving it for you here into my plate. I want to show how I serve it. If you wish, you can put yogurt onto it, but now I'm just putting the tomato sauce. You see? And okay, a little parsley as an ornament, sprinkling parsley. It goes with it very well. Bon appétit!